Hello students, good morning to all of you. Always remember about COVID-19. You have to do or behave like COVID-19 appropriate behavior. Wear mask, follow physical distancing and maintain hand hygiene. ओके ये तीन फंडामेंटल रूल हैं अगर आपको अपने को सेफ रखना है कोविड-19 से। ओके बच्चों, अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं in unit third part B, friction. Last we have about friction, that friction is a necessary evil, and in this heading or in this topic we learn about the advantages of friction and disadvantages of friction. Okay, just before we will learn friction is necessary evil, just we understood कि how it is an evil and how is important friction in our life and किस तरह से और क्या वो कंडीशंस हैं जिसकी वजह से ये इतना इम्पोर्टेंट होने के बाद भी एक एविल की तरह काम करता है, ठीक है, और राक्षस है हमारे लाइफ में, ठीक है। किस चीज में ऐसा है, देखिए इट इज वेरी क्लियर कि वी कैन एबल टू वॉक, हम चल सकते हैं ओनली एंड ओनली ड्यू टू फ्रिक्शन, बिकॉज व्हेन वी आर वॉकिंग ऑन द ग्राउंड देन आवर फीट इज प्रेसेस द ग्राउंड बैकवर्ड एंड एज अ रिएक्शन ग्राउंड presses us in forward direction, so we can able to walk on the ground. Secondly, if we want to stop a car which is in motion, then if and only if we can apply brake, if there should be friction in the contact of two surfaces. फ्रिक्शन नहीं होगा तो हम ब्रेक नहीं लगा सकते, सो फ्रिक्शन इज नेसेसरी टू स्टॉप द कार. सेकेंड, नट एंड बोल्ट्स आर होल्ड द पार्ट ऑफ मशीनरी बिकॉज ऑफ ओनली एंड ओनली फ्रिक्शन. अगर फ्रिक्शन नहीं होगा कॉन्टैक्ट ऑफ टू बॉडीज में, देन देयर शुड बी नो मेथड टू होल्ड्स द मशीनरी पार्ट. सो फ्रिक्शन इज नेसेसरी to hold the machinery part. ठीक है, next okay, the transfer of motion. Second important is the transfer of motion in the different parts of machinery is only and only due to the transfer of forces from one part of the machine to the other part of the machine with the help of a belt moving over the pulley or ठीक है, moving over the pulley. If there is no friction in between the two surfaces in contact, one is belt and second is pulley, so there should be no transfer of force, so we cannot do any kind of force, and this is only and only possible due to the friction between the contact of surface, belt and the pulley. Secondly, we can able to write on the board or you can able to write on your paper or notebook only and only due to the friction between the two surfaces, one of your point of your pen and second is पेपर ऑफ द बुक. ठीक है, वहाँ हम दोनों में जब हम लिखते हैं कोई चीज़ तो वो फ्रिक्शन होती है और फ्रिक्शन डेवलप होता है जिसकी वजह से वो इस पर स्टिक हो जाती है. ठीक है, hence we understood about these are the advantage of friction, and this is the necessity of friction in our life, so that the friction is very very important in our life. But for disadvantage of friction, the very very most disadvantage of friction is whenever there should a relative motion. ठीक है, and you all know the friction is opposing force of relative motion. So if one vehicle is moving over the surface, there should be friction developed, and which causes the reduces in speed. So the output is always less than applied input. ठीक है, that is there should be a loss of energy, and this loss of energy caused only and only due to friction. So friction is an evil in our life or in the dynamics, which cause losses of energy. Secondly, due to friction, the parts of machinery are waste, like due to tear and wear. ठीक है, वो खराब होती हैं बिकॉज ओनली ऑफ द फ्रिक्शन. ठीक है, and the life of the parts of machinery also reduces due to this friction. Okay, next, second, whenever the vehicle moves or machinery in running form, they produce excess of, or they release excess of energy in the form of heat and sound. ठीक है, in this case the additional damages of the machinery part is occur, and this is also due to the friction. ठीक है, तो these are some advantage and disadvantage about the friction which you have to learn. So we will write, next topic is how to reduce the friction. First we use the necessity of friction. First point is necessity of friction, or we say advantages of friction. ओके, फ्रिक्शन की आवश्यकता. इसमें हमारे पास पहला पॉइंट है, वर्किंग विल नॉट बी walking will not be possible without friction. Okay, second, no two surfaces stick each other if there is no friction. If there is no friction, okay, the two surfaces able to stick each other due to only and only friction. ठीक है, next point is the transfer of the transfer of motion from one part to other part is possible due to is possible due to friction between belts and pulley in contact. Pulley in contact. Okay. They transport the motion. ठीक है. Next is fourth, writing on a board or paper is due to friction between pen and paper. Okay. Friction between matchstick and matchbox cause the catch fire to matchstick. Okay, and other examples you can find from your book related to the advantages of friction. Next we do the disadvantages of friction. Second point is disadvantages of friction. Okay, now friction always oppose. First is friction always oppose relative motion in contact surface. Okay, so it leads in losses of energy. energy when the two bodies are moving over each other. Okay. Second is friction cause wear and tear in machinery part. In wear and tear of the parts of machinery. Okay. In contact. Hence, it reduces the life of the parts. Hence, it reduces the life of parts. And last point is frictional force is produces heat and friction force produces heat which causes additional damage in the parts of machinery. Okay. The parts of machinery. Hence, as per these disadvantages of the friction is said to be is necessary and evil. Note down these advantages and disadvantages of friction. Okay, next we understood about the method to reduce friction. Okay, next point is method of changing friction. Method of changing friction. Clear? By using some way we change the friction, like first is by polishing. Okay, by polishing. Okay, if we polish the two surfaces in contact, then it reduces the friction. Okay, polishing makes the surface smoother. Okay, and we know the smooth surface produce or develop less friction, which reduce friction. Okay, next, by lubricating, by lubrication. Okay, by using lubricant on the surfaces in contact, it reduce the roughness of the surface or increase the smoothness in the surface. So by using lubrication between the contact surface, it will reduce friction. Okay, by lubricating we increase the smoothness of surfaces, hence friction reduce. Okay, next is by proper selection of material. Proper selection of materials. Okay, because students, we all know the different kind of materials develops different types of frictions between them. For the combination of the iron and concrete, the friction is very large in comparison to the friction between the tires, rubber tires, and the concrete is very less than comparison to the iron and concrete. So if we use the proper selection of material, the friction also reduce. Okay, next fourth point is by using ball bearings. By using ball bearings. Okay, देखिए, ball bearings also reduce the friction of two contact body because the spheres are easily move over the surface of another body. So if we use the ball bearings, मान लीजिए कि हम इसको रोटेट कराना चाहते हैं, this wheel, and if we are using one another wheel with some ball bearings, okay, like this, Then in the ball bearing also we use the lubricant like grease and oil. Then these small spheres between the two surfaces, let this is A and this is B, inner surface on which in between the balls are used to reduce the friction. ठीक है, तो these spheres easily move over the surface and reduce the friction. And if the ball bearings are moving in anti-clock directions, the main sphere, let these are 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, and the main sphere which is moving on the wheel or the shaft, ठीक है, 2 is moving in the opposite direction of the balls of this system. ठीक है, because this is the actual motion in the clockwise direction, and due to friction the balls are moving in opposite direction, and which leads or reduce the friction between the contact surface. So by using ball bearings we reduce the friction of the machine in between the machinery parts. Okay, these are some ways to increase the friction in the two surface in contacts. Next student, in the next class we will learn about the centripetal force and banking of rod, which is your last topic of this chapter, this unit, laws of motion or Newton laws of motion. Thank you.